and this is a place for peace, I would say. So that's why I came here. Raining and I didn't took my umbrella as well with me. I thought that it's not going to be rain, but suddenly the climate is changed. So that's hello guys, welcome to my channel, and my name is Sarala. So how are you guys? I hope you guys all are doing well. Actually, I'm outside, guys. Let me just show you where I am. So see, a lot of times I think that I wanna go out. I definitely make some vlogs outside. I just talk with people and roaming outside. So these kind of thoughts are always arises in my brain, but I do not have that much of courage to go outside and talk to people like that. But of course I made a lot of videos right in my home. Mostly I made my solo videos and conversational videos in my home and also in front of my family, but I do not make any vlogs outside. Only one vlog, that is Alampur. In that Alampur vlog I talk very rare, and here and there I just introduce my cousins. That's it. I didn't talk very much from the beginning, right? On that day I decided I have to make some vlogs outside as well, which is in English, but I couldn't. Why? Because I have that fear, a lot of fear in me. If I talk outside, that too in English, maybe some people thought that I am showing off or something. So these kind of questions always arises in my brain. So that's why I couldn't do it my videos, especially in outside. So one day one incident happened, so that's why I decided I have to get rid of my fear, that too on public. So that's why today I came outside and I have to make today definitely a vlog outside. So let me just show you the view outside of my village. And most of the times I came here on evening times for walking. So let me just show you and how beautiful the nature. And you guys already know, right? I always like nature very much, and whenever I'm sad, whenever I'm moody, I just came here, I just sit here and just see the nature, and I always watch the nature and be calm and do my meditation. So these all the stuff I always do. Let me just show you how beautiful my hometown looks like. But before that, a lot of people are watching me while I'm walking on the road, but that's okay guys, because I thought that I want to get rid of my fear on public, because a lot of times I always delaying myself that I have to I do not do vlogs outside, something like this. So today I decided I have to no matter what, I tackle this fear of public speaking. So that's why I am going to make my vlog. And let me just show you that how my hometown looks like. All the time I came here, a lot of ladies came here for walking, and and also children came here to play cricket as well. So this is a kind of very famous in my hometown. I'm from village, I already told you, right? I am making this video, that too outside. I already told you I want to tackle my fear of public speaking. So that's why I wanna think that I have to make my vlog. So that is the reason. And also the big reason behind it, I think 2 months back an incident happened for me. So what that incident was, let me just tell you. I don't know guys how to handle this mobile phone. I do not take my stand as well along with me, so that's why my hands were paining, but that's okay. And yeah, why I make my Alampur vlog, because on that day I decided I have to talk outside, but unfortunately I couldn't because of fear. I didn't tackle on that day. So I always delaying these kind of outsiding vlogs a lot of times. Mostly I do my videos in front of my mother. Okay, so and I just lock the room, I do my videos, and like that I do all the time. So one day what happened means, so I decided that I have to make a video for my YouTube channel. So I just sit, okay, in my room, but unfortunately my relatives came to my home. Okay, so I'm making my video. Okay, so I'm making my video for my YouTube channel. So they came to home, and they just saw me, like what she was doing. They already know that I have a YouTube channel and she was making a video. But they again asked me that so what she was doing like that. And yeah, my mom said to the relatives that she was making a video. I also said that do it, we are also very curious to watch your English speaking skills. So they said to me, I was like very, very awkward, because in these days, like so most of the times I make my videos in my home in front of my parents, that's it. And also in front of strangers I talk on online only. Okay, so I use some applications only with the help of mobile phone, but particularly offline, I mean in face to face, I couldn't. And on that day I thought that I couldn't talk actually on that day, and I do not do that video as well. I said to them that I delay this video, I definitely do it this video tomorrow, like that I said to them. And I just gave excuses on that day. So on that day I thought of myself, I do a lot of videos in my home only. I always said to myself that yes, I didn't have that fear of speaking with strangers. I didn't have that fear of speaking in English. I usually thought a lot of times like this, but that is not a fact. So in these days I'm in myth, I realized it. So I thought that I have to get rid of fear on public, because this is the realization I got on that day. Most of the times I always used to prefer make vlogs outside. Why? Because I have to get rid of fear. So now around a lot of people are here as well. A lot of people are also watching me, and I think it's weird to me, but it's okay. They're feeling like I'm a mad girl. That's okay. If all the time I think that what the people are going to think about me, I'm not going to think about them. So just I have to get rid of my fear, right? In your life you have to get rid of your speaking or challenges or whatever in your life. If you are taking any challenges in your life and explore something in your life, then you have that capability and capacity to do whatever tasks. You know, when I am making my vlogs in my home, I took 2 or 3 takes a lot of times, because for perfection, I mean the introduction is going to good and like something like that, I took 2 or 3 takes a lot of times. I'm making this vlog outside, right? But to be honest, I didn't take any takes here. I'm just making this vlog in one take, and I'm talking outside, so a lot of people also watching me, but inside a lot of fear. But anyway, I have to get rid of. I thought like that. A lot of people are thinking that they had a lot of public, I mean shyness. So I think most of the introverts thinks that, because I am an introvert on those days, right? So I can understand, because I'm on that time I'm very insecure and I'm introvert. I'm not going to talk with anyone else. So that kind of mindset maybe a lot of people had, right? If we are in that introvert stage, it didn't work out, I think, in this era, I guess. I think a lot of people might in their comfort zone like me, because especially I thought that I don't wanna talk with people. I just wanna be with my comfort zone always. But I decided that I have to make a vlog anywhere, no matter how. So that's why I'm making this video. And yeah, let me just tell you that how beautiful my hometown is. I think you guys already know, right? I like nature very much, and the sounds as well. As you can see here how beautiful it is. Let me just show you how my hometown looks like. See, and how beautiful it is, like trees and weather, right? So there are some people are also reading. So a lot of students also came here, guys, to read and also to study. So this is how the place looks like, how beautiful it is, right? So all the time I just came here, you know, the sounds of birds, right? The sparrows. I like all the nature, guys. See how beautiful it is. Let me just show you where I came here. I just sit here all the time. So this is my favorite place, and I do my meditation as well here, and I just see around the nature all the time, mostly in evening times. And I think, guys, village is the best place for greenery because there are a lot of crops, paddies and trees, and also pure air, I'd say. And I always like villages, guys. No, this is my favorite place. So most of the times I came here whenever I'm moody, whenever I'm sad, I just came here. This is my favorite, all-time favorite, I would say. And I think you heard the cuckoo sound, right? Look at the around, how beautiful, right? See, I like this very much, guys. The sounds, the see how beautiful, right? The nature. Today I think little bit cloudy, it might rain. That's really happy, right? I am whenever it rains, I'm just over the moon because I always like rain, guys. So in rain I always like to dance. So actually I'm kind of girl, like always enjoy every single moment because I don't want to miss that moment. So I don't want to think about the people, what they are going to thought about me, something like that. I'm not going to think about them. So I always enjoy myself. You don't have to bother about the people, what they are going to think about. This is your life, you have to enjoy your life. And because a lot of people had a lot of desires, mostly I am a kind of girl, like always go outside alone and always enjoy my own self, like self caring is very very important for every single person, and self love is also very very important. So I believe in that. I'm a kind of girl, like I always go whenever outside, I just want to go out solo. So I just want to see the nature and I just want to feel it. So that's why I always go outside for my own self, and along with me some book or my journal I took along with me, and I definitely write some thoughts, whatever. So if we are in nature, guys, to be honest, if I am in nature, so if I had any kind of thoughts in my brain, so I definitely write that fresh thoughts, whatever thoughts on my brain on that particular time, I'll definitely write on my journal. If you are in nature, you have a lot of thoughts in your brain, you just write those thoughts. I think fresh ideas will definitely come. I whenever if I want any kind of content or something, I definitely came here and I just sit here and think about my content or something like that. And yeah, see around, I think it's a little bit cloudy, guys. Let me just show you how it looks like. I don't know it clear or not, but the sky is very beautiful, and I think it's just mesmerizing, guys, and it's just fantastic. Let me just show you. See how beautiful it is, right? So I think it's cloudy, guys, and it might rain, I guess. See, crops, trees, right? And there is one person is studying. So here a lot of students also came here, guys. Mostly when I was a child, when it comes to 10th class students will definitely came here and also study here. I always like my hometown. Of course, who don't like their hometowns, right? because this is a place, guys, and this is a place for peace, I would say. So that's why I came here, and I'm just walking between trees, guys. So see how beautiful, right? So yeah, I am just going to sit on my favorite chair sometime. That is also one of the place. And yeah, see how, so I think there are a lot of sparrows, I guess. I don't know, guys, what the bird's called. Don't know what it called. See, no, those are not sparrows. I don't know what they called actually. Yes, I'm just sitting here on my favorite chair. This is my favorite chair, guys. So yes, I'm going to watch the nature and write whatever thoughts in my brain, and do some meditation as well.
Soft strums of the warm acoustic guitar.
Done my journaling, so now I'm going to just watch the nature and also do some meditation as well. And I think it's going to be rain. Yeah, I can feel it right now. So yeah, it is a very beautiful day, and it's raining, guys. Let me just show you. See, it's raining, guys. How beautiful it is. Look at the view. Told you, right? So it's raining. Yes, see, it's full of cloudy, guys, and full of greenery as well. See, right? So that's why I came all the time here, guys. I need peace. Whenever I need peace, I just came here. That's it. Yeah, guys, I'm going to my home right now. It's raining, and I didn't took my umbrella as well with me. I thought that it's not going to be rain, but suddenly the climate is changed, so that's why it is raining. And I'm very happy actually it is raining, but my mobile phone is with me, so that's why I'm thinking about it, about my mobile phone. Okay, so yes, I'm going, guys, and it's raining, and yes, a lot of people are also watching me. That's okay. I think I tackled the fear of public speaking. I thought like that, but I don't know exactly it happens or not. But we are all the time thinking about the perfection, right? We don't think about the perfection, guys. So how we are handling the situations, how we are going to talk on public. So these are the things we should learn when we are experienced outside. Then only we definitely learn. If you are overthinking about it, and we are thinking that we are reading books or watching videos, how to handle, how to tackle some things like that, it's not going to be possible. Okay, so we have to experience it. Okay, so then only we definitely get rid of our public speaking as well. Okay, I think you like the video. If you like the video, you know what you have to do. Hit the like button and share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. And I'm going to end this video here. If possible, I definitely continue in my home. If not possible, I'm going to end this video here. Okay, if I want to continue this kind of vlogs, videos, so please drop your comments in the comment section so that I can continue my videos like this. Okay, so yeah, guys, and for now, bye bye, guys. So I'll catch you in my another video. Till then, take care of yourselves. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.